Vice President Atiku Abubakar came down hard on all the All Progressive Congress APC-led government of President Bola Tinubu, insisting that the prevailing economic hardship in the country was a direct outcome of Tinubu's incoherent plan, a development he equally attributed to the president's hasty assumption of power without a clear-cut policy direction. In response to the presidency dismissal on his earlier submission on Sunday regarding what he would have done differently if he had won the 2023 presidential election to keep the economy in a good standing. In Atiku's statement, "What we would have done differently," Atiku criticized the way the federal government managed the fuel subsidy removal, as well as the fiscal and monetary policies of President Tinubu's administration, and outlined a set of policies he could have pursued if he were the president. Like many fellow Nigerians, I firmly believe that we find ourselves in this current economic turmoil due to the current administration's hasty ascent to power, devoid of a coherent plan. Is it not fascinating how the so-called tested Tinubu administration's only policy response seemed to be a national prayer led by the First Lady and the National Security Advisor (NSA) just a mere 24 hours after I proposed my alternative solutions? What a bold strategy! It mocked the Tinubu's administration for its failures to address the hardship in the land. One can only speculate that Tinubu's government is anchored to be a T-plan, which can only lead to a T-pain, Atiku said. With Nigerians backing Atiku's claims, President of the Middle Belt Forum, Dr. Pogu Bitrus Abdullahi Fago, an educationist based in Maduwa local government area of Katsina, equally agreed with Atiku's position. Also a Lagos-based lawyer and public affairs analyst, Marcellus Ona, equally condemned the presidency's reactions to Atiku's comment, saying Atiku was just speaking the minds of Nigerians. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.